All right, today is test day. Today you're going to be taking your first unit assessment. You guys are ready. You've got this. You can do it. And I can't wait to see all the wonderful work that you guys turn in. So I'm going to be showing you how to log on to take your assessment. All right, so you're going to log into Classlink. If you don't know how to get to Classlink, you're going to go to the Elgin ISD website, click Students, scroll down, find Classlink, and it's going to take you to Classlink, all right? You're going to see a bunch of different apps. These are all of these apps that you can use at home while you're on your Chromebook, while we're virtually learning, okay? So for our assessments, you are going to go to Eduphoria Primary Student Online Testing. It has a little orange background with a lowercase e and an exclamation point. You're going to click it. And it's not going to log you in, okay? You need to enter your password. It should give you your ID number. So this is just your ID number, just your lunch number, not your initials before. Your student ID is your lunch number, and your password is going to be your initials with your lunch number. All right? Then you're going to log in. And now you see this blank box right here? This is because a test is not on here. There is going to be a test on here today, this morning, when you click, so you click the test and you take it. If you do not finish your test right away, you need to save your work. If not, you're going, because you can come back to it. If not, you're going to have to take the whole thing all over again. So again, I'm on the Elgin ISD website. I went to Students. I scrolled down. I found Classlink. Classlink takes you to this. This is what you see. And then you're going to click on Eduphoria and it's going to take you to this. You're going to have a test here. If you can't finish it all at once, you need to save it or you're going to have to start all over again. And when you're done, please make sure you click score when you're finished to turn your test in. All right, good luck.